Winner, winner, chicken dinner. We got ourselves a high potential finder version 1v1 alert this morning on ticker TCRX. So we were well aware that we wanted to keep this one up and on watch. Why? Because it's on that scanner that is new and fresh for our Discord members. And we can see this was at 9 a.m. It came in at 385, 342, and 321 in this gap here. It gapped up, fell back down. Then we got an alert at the market open as well at 9:30 a.m. TCRX on our low volume mark chart scanner. And guess what? It found that volume and it went to the moon. And we had TCRX all the way from 289 all the way up here to $5.91. Now let's pull up the chart with the levels and see how it worked out. Whoa, look at that. We had predetermined levels on TCRX on this first initial pop. As soon as it hits that scanner, that's the first thing I do, start marking levels and make sure I'm aware of which level I want to possibly trade. And it was over this 450 level. Now, I didn't take this trade. I missed out on it. I was taking a break during this time. I traded pre-market, did pretty well this morning on ENSC and TRVN. But TCRX traders, if you guys were sitting around waiting for that volume to arrive, it sure did arrive and got that bullish vertical trend right into a resistance. Had a little retrace and a halt there, and then sure enough, closed above, held, hit target, hit target. You guys know the drill, right? Close above the resistance. We look for that resistance to then hold as support. Close back below is bearish. We can see as we were closing above these resistance levels, the first time we closed back below was right here on this candle. If I hover over this level here, you can see that red candle. That was the first close below one of these levels on this move. That's a beautiful move on TCRX from opening bell. And of course, again, we had that alert at $2.89. The low and market hours was 283, so right around that low. And then sure enough, it ended up popping from there, closed above resistance up here, hit our resistance at the top, and we had a bullish vertical trend. Okay, so we know exactly what that means. It's a major red flag, and what it means is we've got ourselves all of these green candles. If I turn this off, you'll see we've got the green candles right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, bullish vertical trend, major move. Look for a retrace, and sure enough, it did. Look for a close over predetermined levels for bullish momentum. So now we're looking for a close over $6. We want to see it over $6 at least before we really consider this bullish. And really to start watching, we can start watching around the 560. So I'll set my alert here, and we'll see if we can get over that 560 level. And I'll set another alert here, and there we go. Now I'm prepared in case we get there and I don't have to watch this chart any longer until we get to those levels I deem as bullish for that bullish momentum. But guys, this was on our high potential finder version 1 and our new high mark chart scanner. These were the only alerts this morning. So again, the scanners are designed to eliminate the BS. And that is the whole idea here, because I think we can all agree that there's a lot of BS in this market, right? So the alerts came in 9 a.m. this morning. TCRX, high potential. Well, it did have high potential, high value potential there, and I consider that a major win. Guys, if you found any value in this video, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.